Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome. As always, this is totally unrehearsed. It's a spontaneous broadcast. However, I was given advance notice of this myself from my mentors in the universe. Excuse me, that was a phone call from Linda Edwards. Please, please, please do not phone me during a live broadcast. For fuck's sake. Anyway, welcome. Yeah, I was given advance notice of this broadcast a couple of days ago from the powers that be up there. Not the powers that be down there. The powers that be that really are the powers that be, and that are people who are not of this planet. But more of that later, because I've got to bring a message to you from them, which makes me rather vulnerable because I've not made my location a secret. I've not made this broadcast a secret. So welcome to Facebook staff, because I know you are definitely monitoring this video. Welcome maybe to the FBI, CIA, who knows? Who cares? Do I care? Anyway, today in Thailand is the last day of Lent. Thailand is predominantly Buddhist, but I also believe that something called Lent is a Christian festival or period, 40 days or so. Lent means many things, many ways. For example, today I lent an associate of mine £2,000. I'm going to name and shame him, actually, because he deserves it. His name's Smeg. And Smeg and I have been on various missions throughout our existence here on planet Earth. Many adventures, not all successful. Some involving bloodshed. Anyway, I digress again. I've got an aid memoir somewhere, but I'm fucked if I can remember where I've put it. Yeah. Basically, I'm here this evening to deliver a message from the universe to the population of this wonderful planet called Earth. And I will be doing that very, very shortly. But the universe has allowed me a few moments just to practice my gibberish, clear my head of strange thoughts. Strange is another word which can be debated. I mean, for example, I was admitted to a mental institution not too long ago, where I stayed for 2 months because my behaviour was allegedly strange, or let's say not normal by normal standards. But what the heck is normal? Who's judging those who are judging those whether they're normal or not? Right, it's time to stop that. I now, believe it or not, and actually I don't care whether you do or not, I'm a poet sometimes, I'm going to allow energy from the universe to whiteboard, I suppose, is a possible definition of what they're going to do. Whiteboard my brain. And words that come from my mouth will not necessarily be my own personal beliefs, because I am just delivering a message from the universe. So please do not shoot the messenger. Okay, just give me a couple of moments and the message will begin. Greetings, Earthlings. We have been observing the planet Earth for some considerable time. We asked this physical existence known as Keith Seddon to deliver messages on our behalf, and Keith started delivering the messages about 3 months ago. The message he delivered then was that the Earth literally only had 6 months. When we say the Earth, we don't mean the planet Earth or Mother Nature. I'm talking about the population of planet Earth. We, the Anunnaki, we created you. You were to be our slaves. For reasons that will leave you to do your own research on. I'll say the word again. Anunnaki. Okay. We populated planet Earth for thousands of years, but we decided to leave via spacecraft. Yeah, spacecraft. About 7,500 years ago. And we've been observing how the species we developed, called human beings, we're going to evolve. To be honest, to put it in your sort of language, we're very, very, very pissed off. That is why we asked Keith to deliver that ultimatum 3 months ago. In fact, it's a little over 3 months, which means you have basically until midnight on the 31st of December this apparent year. We are hoping that there is a vast improvement in humanity, or to put it another way, less inhumane acts, less suffering, less deaths, unless, no, it's not unless, you've got till the 31st of December. And then, just like you're experiencing now, with your weather worldwide, just how powerful the universe can be. and how knowledgeable we are. Talk to us about climate change. Talk to us about geoengineering. Talk to us about weather manipulation for devious means by your powers that be. We're going to hand Keith back his mind now. You've got the message, I hope. 31st of December. Otherwise, you can really expect the wrath of the universe. Be warned. Shit. Well, there you go then, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Message from the universe. I'm going to have a cup of tea, I think. Maybe a smoke or something. I'm going to wave back to these people now. I couldn't wave before because I was in some sort of hypnotic fucking trance. And my Tourette's is starting to come out, which means I need a cup of fucking tea. So, until we meet again. Keith William Taylor Seton. Don't know how to stop this fucking thing. I'm going to stay out, so no. I don't know which button to press. Shit. Oh, fucking stop it. I don't know. I'm going to turn this fucking phone off. That's the only way. I don't want to stop it. Hang on a minute. No, I don't want to do that in case I lose the fucking video. There's a little word in the corner that says finish.